초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Video, we're going to talk about implicit differentiation. So how to do implicit differentiation? First is we need to differentiate with respect to x, then collect all the dy over dx on one side, and then solve for dy over dx. Like for example, x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. So first is differentiate with respect to x. So we have d over dx, and then the quantity of x squared plus d over dx, and then the quantity of y squared is equals to d over dx and the quantity of r squared. So we have d over dx, the quantity of x squared is equals to 2x, d over dx, and then the quantity of y squared is equals to 2y, and then dy over dx. So d over dx and then the quantity of r squared is equals to 0, which gives us 2x plus 2y dy over dx is equals to 0. Next is to collect all the dy over dx on one side. So y dy over dx is equals to negative x, and then solve for dy over dx. So dy over dx is equals to negative x over y. So the chain rule using dy over dx. So let's look more closely at how d over dx and then the quantity of y squared becomes 2y dy over dx. So the chain rule says that d over dx is equals to d over dy and then dy over dx. So the substitution in u is equals to y squared. So d over dx and then the quantity of y squared is equals to d over dy, the quantity of y squared over dy over dx, and then d over dx, the quantity of y squared is equals to 2y dy over dx. So that's all.